Hi, my name is Sean McCullough, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a hybrid clip and hook ear saver to increase the fit, function, and comfort of your mask. We're making a hybrid ear saver because the two hook version is much easier to get on and off than the clip version, but it tends to fall off once you take the mask off. The clip version attaches much more securely to the mask, but is harder to get on and off. So we're just going to splice them together. So we need both of these sets of ear savers and then a pair of nice sharp scissors. The first thing that we're going to do is take our clip ear saver and I'm going to cut the end. We can discard this small bead. And these have an adjuster. We can just pull one end completely out. And so now we'll set these two aside. The hook ear saver has a finished end, and you can push down on these two sides here and then pull the back piece out, pull the sheathing down, and then you can just pull the paracord out of the barbed finished end. Just like the other one, you can push down on the adjuster and pull one side out. And now we're going to put the first one together. So we need a clip, we need a hook with the adjuster, and then we need the two pieces of the finished end. The first thing that we're going to want to do is push down on the adjuster, and you can feed the paracord from the clip side straight through there. And you can pull them both to the end of the adjuster there. And that lets us pull our paracord out and cut it so they're the same length. And now you can feed these two pieces of paracord through the sheathing. And then take the barbed finished end piece and just sort of squeeze the paracord in there. So it is nice and firmly attached. Once it's in there, you can just slide this sheathing back up and pull this down like that. Now for the second piece, we need our clip with the adjuster and then our other piece with the hook on it. Just like the last one, you thread this piece of paracord through there, you can pull these two down to the adjuster, cut the paracord to length. And since we only had one finished end piece to start with, I've just been tying these into a square knot. Make it nice and tight. If you get a little bit of frayed end, we can just cut that off. And so now we've got two different hybrid adjustable ear savers. The best way to use these, if you wear glasses like me, you're going to get your best fit by starting with taking your glasses off, open your mask up, get sort of a preliminary fit around the bridge of your nose, and then we can take your ear savers, put the clip side on, get the ear loops over your ears, clip on the back, and then you can adjust the tension to your comfort and see it's going to pull the ear loops back off of your ears, and it's going to increase the fit of the mask around your chin, cheeks, and nose, which is going to increase function. Get everything back in order and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy masking.